In the previous chapter, we explored the introduction to Moringa and discovered why this remarkable plant is gaining worldwide attention. But today, we're taking a closer look at what truly makes Moringa so special. Why is it known around the world as the miracle tree? The answer lies in its incredible versatility. Unlike most trees, nearly every part of the Moringa tree has a practical purpose. Its fresh green leaves are carefully dried and transformed into nutrient-rich powders, herbal teas, and dietary supplements enjoyed across the globe. The long green pods, commonly known as suhanjna or drumsticks, are a popular vegetable in Pakistan, India, and many other countries, where they're cooked into traditional dishes. In some regions, even the delicate white flowers are used in local recipes, while the mature seeds are pressed to produce premium Moringa oil, a valuable ingredient in skincare, cosmetics, and wellness products. Today, Moringa is found in teas, powders, capsules, beauty products, and healthy foods sold around the world. Scientists continue to study this remarkable plant because of its impressive nutritional profile and its wide range of traditional and modern uses. As global demand continues to grow, Moringa has become an increasingly valuable agricultural crop, creating opportunities for farmers and businesses alike. From its nutrient-rich leaves and edible pods to its flowers, seeds, and natural oil, every part of the Moringa tree serves a unique purpose. That's exactly why millions of people proudly know it as the miracle tree. In the next chapter, we'll explore the science behind Moringa's nutrition and discover what makes this remarkable plant so unique. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.